Hey, what's up? Some days ago we posted a video with comparison of Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and Mi Band 6 fitness bracelets. If you missed, you can watch the video by the link in description. In addition, the Chinese manufacturer announced the next generation of wireless earbuds on the same day. They are called Redmi Buds 4 Pro. In this video, I want to compare the new wireless earbuds with the previous model Redmi Buds 3 Pro. There are many differences between them, especially the price. The new Redmi Buds 4 Pro are 2 times more expensive than Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Why did they become more expensive? Let's find out. If we started talking about price, let's continue. The wireless earbuds from Xiaomi are available in China for the price of 399 yuan. This is about $60. However, the price on AliExpress starts from $99. You can buy the previous model Redmi Buds 3 Pro for about $30 on AliExpress. As you can see, the new Redmi Buds 4 Pro are 2 times or even 3 times more expensive. The price is not only the difference, because the earbuds have completely different design of the earphones themselves and the charging case. The new Redmi Buds 4 Pro look like this, and this is how Redmi Buds 3 Pro look like. Both of them have silicone ear tips, and this is reasonable, because without them, it is not impossible to use active noise cancellation. However, Redmi Buds 4 Pro have a stem. I think the microphone quality of the new earbuds will be better than the previous generation. Although there are 3 built-in microphones, like the previous model. Redmi Buds 4 Pro are waterproof by IP54 rating, while Redmi Buds 3 Pro have IPX4 water resistance. Both of them come with touch control panels. Another feature of these earbuds is in ear detection. When you take the earbuds out of the ears, the music automatically stops. This feature is available on Redmi Buds 4 Pro and Redmi Buds 3 Pro. You know, both of them support active noise cancellation, but the new Redmi Buds 4 Pro have 43 dB noise reduction, while the previous model comes with 35 dB. On this picture, we can see that 35 dB is a flagship noise cancelling, but 43 dB is high-end noise reduction. Unfortunately, I don't have Redmi Buds 4 Pro yet, so I cannot tell you my impressions of the noise cancellation, but I hope to do a full review of the new earbuds soon. Redmi Buds 3 Pro have 3 ANC modes, such as deep noise cancellation, balanced noise cancellation, and light noise cancellation. Redmi Buds 4 Pro also have 3 ANC modes, but they are called Deep Noise Reduction, Mild Noise Reduction, and Equalized Noise Reduction. There is also a special Dual Transparency mode on the both models, which allows you to hear the surrounding environment even while wearing the earbuds. One of the main advantages of the new Redmi Buds 4 Pro is dual moving coil unit. The earbuds are equipped with 6mm titanium diaphragm tweeter moving coil and 10mm aluminum magnesium alloy moving coil. The Chinese company says that Redmi Buds 4 Pro are the first earbuds with a 360 degrees surround sound effect. Redmi Buds 3 Pro have only a single 9mm composite vibrating diaphragm coil. So the sound quality of the new wireless earbuds should be much better than the previous model. Finally, let's talk about battery. The overall battery life of Redmi Buds 4 Pro with the charging case is 36 hours. You can listen to music on a single charge 9 hours with ANC off. A single battery life of Redmi Buds 3 Pro is 6 hours, while the overall battery life is 24 hours. As you can see, the new wireless earbuds have longer battery life, both on a single charge and with charging case. You know, Redmi Buds 4 Pro looks like the flagship wireless earbuds with premium features, such as 43 dB active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.3, 360 degrees surround stereo sound, and others. However, the price is very attractive, only $60. The previous model Redmi Buds 3 Pro are also good, especially for the price of $30, but they have worse sound quality and a shorter battery life. The final choice is up to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.